what would be the weightage of marks for all the subjects in CLAT PG 2020. Hello everyone, welcome to Julius Academy. This is Sudipta, founder of Julius. Today we are going to talk about what would be the weightage of marks for all the subjects in CLAT PG 2020. Now you have already gone through the previous video. If you haven't gone through it, kindly go through it. We have talked about the new syllabus. Extra 7 subjects have been added to the syllabus for CLAT PG 2020. Total 13 subjects are there. If you haven't checked that video, kindly go check it out. The link is given below in the description. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about, and a lot of students have also asked us, what would be the weightage then? What would be the weightage of marks? Because previously it was 7 subjects. Everyone knows what is the distribution of marks for each and every subject. अभी distribution of marks क्या होगा for each and every subject, that we are going to talk in this video, so please stay tuned till the very end. We're going to talk about that. So let's start the video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. In CLAT PG 2019, the distribution of marks, especially for the objective, was something like this: 40 plus 60. 40 was of constitution and 60 was of other subjects. Now, as the 7 subjects have been added, more 7 subjects have been added in CLAT PG syllabus. Now total 13 subjects are there. And what would be the distribution of marks in CLAT PG 2020? Now the most important thing that you need to know, there is no demarcation of distribution as such mentioned in CLAT PG. Now you might be asking, and you people are confused that, sir, what would be the distribution then? अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से 40 मार्क्स पूछे जाएंगे या नहीं पूछे जाएंगे? That is the first important question that you are thinking and you are confused of. Now there is no 40 marks division is mentioned in CLAT PG syllabus, so 40 marks division is not there, and that is not going to be for your CLAT PG 2020 as well. तो constitution के कोई separate 40 marks नहीं है objective में. Does that mean the constitution has a lesser weightage in CLAT PG 2020? Absolutely not, because of the subjective part that I'm going to talk in a bit. But first talk about the other subjects. Abhi 13 subjects are there. Okay, if we talk about 13 subjects and 100 questions will be there, so there is no demarcation like 20 questions from constitution or 5 क्वेश्चन और 10 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम jurisprudence और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऐसा कोई डिवीजन है ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो आपको इस बारे में, डिवीजन के बारे में सोचना ही नहीं है. अभी आपको इस सब्जेक्ट यू हैव टू गिव द रेस्पेक्ट एंड फोकस, बिकॉज each and every subject carries, you can say, like 8 to 10 questions from each and every subject. It will be asked in the exam. Now you may expect that constitution might carry like 15 marks or 20 marks, but that doesn't mean, but that is all probability. You people are going to face this in the exam. You're going to see this in the exam, what would be the case. But I'll tell you, don't focus constitution more or don't focus on other subjects. You have to respect, you have to give it proper focus to each and every subject, because you will expect questions from each and every subject. Now regarding the constitution, as I was talking about, that a subjective part, there was subjective part, and you can expect one question from constitution in subjective part. So constitution को मत छोड़ो, constitution is equally important, and relatively you will get much content in constitution to write. That is the most important thing. क्योंकि lot of students whose main focus is constitution, I'll tell you to focus on the constitution more, because you have the content, you know what to write. At least in the subjective part you can write something in the constitution. That is a very important thing, because at the end of the day you have to write 700 or 800 words. ठीक है, और आपको अगर कंटेंट ही नहीं पता तो आप लिखोगे क्या? तो इस वजह से what I am telling you, constitution को मत छोड़ो, constitution को sideline मत करो, focus on the constitution. Okay, because of the subjective part, because you're going to write one subjective part question from constitution as well. So that's why the most important part for all of you to focus each and every subject equally and focus on the constitution more regarding the concept wise. So this is the weightage, so don't worry about anything, just go and start reading. You have a lot of subjects to cover, and for all of you, if you don't know, CLAT PG crash course is there. You can go and enroll in that course. All the updated 13 subjects are there. You can get the study material, you can get the mock test, you can get the live classes for that, so you don't need to worry about each and everything. The link is given below in the description. You can go and check it out. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video to your fellow CLAT PG aspirants. And we're going to meet again with new video. Please comment below if you have any query. We're going to take it as next video topic. You never know. So comment below. We're going to meet again soon. Thank you. See you soon.